Hi, good morning. It's time for morning routine. Mag-walking na naman kami ng babies ko. Babies namin. Let's see. We will put on their leash and we're ready to walk. Gabi, Machiko, Max, come here. Good boy. That's our baby Max. He's not biting. Machiko, Gabi. Machiko, Gabi, come here, baby. Come here, Gabi. Gabi, where's Machiko? Come lang, Come, Gabi. Come here. Come here. You know we cannot go out without leash. Good boy. Machiko, come here, Langga. What did you do at the back? Oi. Did you pee? Did you pee at the back? Alright. I'm going to turn off the light and lock the door. So, see you in a while. You know, guys, it's still dark. Because it's just, what time is it? It's just 4:56 in the morning. I'll show you the surroundings. Ayan. Wala kayong makikita. Madilim pa. Yan, madilim pa. Madilim pa kasi ayan, medyo madilim pa. Kami pa lang ang nagtikaw-tikaw sa kadalanan. Ingon anim ni every morning. Daw yung mga street sweeper sayo kaayong magtikaw-tikaw sa dalan. Ayan. Mani among agianan diri kada buntag. Muning gitawag nila diri nga mansion. Mansion diri sa village. Ana na siya, guys. Every morning. Muna among routine. Mag-walking mi sa babies. Madungog na mo ang mga huni sa mga langgam. O diba nice kaayo. Presko pa ang panahon. Oops. Careful. Motorcycle is on our back. Morning. It's the security guard. The roving guard of the village. Hold on now. Okay. Let's go. Babies ni Mommy, Daddy. Malangga. Machiko o si Max o Gabi. Sila na normally akong kauban every morning. Kay si Shacho, ito na kay Daddy. Nauna na sila walking. Roving guard, enter here. Anak. O nang ganahan mong mag-walking sa'yo sa buntag, dawa ko'y mga tao. Kami pa lang ang gatikaw-tikaw sa dalan. Nachiko, what is it there? What is it that you want? You want something? Come on, baby. No, that's dirty, babe. Let's go on. Shachu's waiting for us. Sorry, Max. I kicked your ass. Nooning baday nga daghan kang sakyanan. Pila kabuk ilang sakyanan. Chacho. Nagdula na si Daddy Taichi. Kuku, Chacho. Kuku, bebe. Hey. Hello. Good morning, Langga. Let's go. Chacho, come with us. Hihisa ka. Come here. Come here. Good boy. And we're here. Sa lugar. Good morning, Daddy. Good morning, Daddy. Hold on. I'll put the bag here. Let's go see the sea. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, Max jumped on the bench. Good boy. You're not scared of heights now, baby. Eh. Mm. Mm. Muna ni, dali kayong nihayag, no? Ngit-ngit pa ganito ganiha paghawa na mo. Hayag na. Ngit-ngit pa gani paghawa na mo ganiha, no? Karon hayag na, oh. Pila lang ka minutos. Wala ray 10 minutes. Mommy, mommy, take me in your arms. Anak ni siya. Alright. Thank you for watching, guys, and have a good day. Pakarga na siya. Alright, I'll take you. Bye now. Take care, everyone, and God bless. Hi, guys. I'll show you the sunrise before we leave back home. Pauli namin, pero I'll show you the sunrise. So beautiful. Hold on. Look at that.
You okay?
Yes. I'll show the sunrise. What a beauty.
Let's try something. Careful.
Okay.
Come here, Soso.
It's going to do something.
Okay.
Yes. There. Oh, it's only Peter. We're going home.
She's done. She's confused.
Have a good day, everyone, and bye now.